entire world has come to a standstill. Streets are empty and people are at their homes. But don't worry, I will show you some really cool science websites that you can go and check and enjoy during these lockdowns. Welcome to yet another episode of Scientific Engineer. Let's begin. So let's take a look at our first website that I want to show you. It is Google Moon. As you can see here, it is basically there are these tiny little astronauts holding flags. So these are basically the landing sites of all the Apollo missions, and it is a very interactive website that you can check out. Also, all the websites that I will be showing you today, their links will be given in the description, so you don't need to go ahead and search all by yourself. Okay, so the another website that I want to show you is Google Sky. It is a service that wherein you can see our solar system. At the bottom left side you can see solar system, our constellations, and for instance let me just click over Chandra X-ray. It will show you all the discoveries made by Chandra X-ray. For example, when I click on this Ant Nebula, it will show me information about Ant Nebula, and you can view this Ant Nebula in infrared, microwave, or just microwave, or just infrared, and whatever as you want to do. You can also print this image, and there are other different options that you can explore. Okay, so let me take you to another website. This is the periodic table website. We all have studied periodic table when we were in 8th, 9th, 10th, or even 11th and 12th, or maybe in the first year of our bachelor's. But this website is different. As you can see here, this is an interactive website. When you click on hydrogen, it will show me the information related to hydrogen and where it is used. Wow! So another website that I want to show you is this, Your Age on Different Worlds. As you know that every planet has its own radius of rotation and revolution, so that basically changes its revolution period and its rotation periods. So that means your age on different worlds, like on different planets, will be different. So these can be calculated with this website. For instance, I have already given my date of birth as July 16, 1996, and when I press calculate, it will show me my age on these different planets had I have been born on these planets. For example, I am 148 days if I was born on Mercury. I am 23.7 years old because I am on Earth, and it will show me a different age on Mars, and that's it. Okay, so if you want to know what is going on, and so there's a different dedicated article for you that you can read and explore, and simple mathematical formulas for you to explore. Okay, moving on, let's take a look at another website. This is Your Weight on Different Worlds. Before telling you anything about this website, let me just clarify, because some people have misconceptions. They think that they are 75 kgs and that is their weight. No, 75 kgs is not your weight, it is your mass multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity. That will give you the weight. For instance, my weight is 750 Newton, and when I press calculate, it shows me that I'll weigh 125 newtons on Moon, 283 newtons on Mercury, 843 newtons on Neptune, and just 50 newtons on Pluto. That is as almost as 5 kgs. So it's time to leave Earth. Okay, moving on. Another interactive website that I want to show you is this, My Physics Lab. It has physics simulations. So basically when you click on pendulum, it will show you the pendulum. You can tweak with its length, with its damping, mass, and you can also change its differential equation solver like Ranjikatta. It will give you different results. Euler method will give you different results. For example, let me just take this roller coaster with flight. You can also change its background, solving method. It will also show you the energy at different intervals, and similarly you can plot graph. Moving on, another website that I want to recommend is geometry.net. On this website you will find books related to mathematics, pure mathematics, science, and other streams like science, science fiction, travel, horror, basically everything, but mostly mathematics. Okay, so if you will just click here mathematicians, it will show you mathematicians based on their backgrounds. For instance, African, American, Arabian, Asian, Indian mathematicians. Let's go back. For example, in science book, if I click on astronomy, it will show me different books of astronomy, and from here you can get all these books on astronomy. Okay, moving on. Another very cool website that I want to show you is Space Engine. So Space Engine is not a website, it is basically a software package that you need to download, and you might have heard this dialogue from a famous Indian web series, Kabhi Kabhi Lagta Hai Apn Hi Bhagwan Hai. So basically you can implement this dialogue by using this simulator. This Space Engine simulator is basically a software that lets you create your own universe, your own planets. Let me just show you. You can also control time. You can play with its temperature and everything related to it. So this is basically a website where you can be your own god and create your own universe with your own nebulae, with your own stars, planets, and fully customizable. Okay. So lastly, I want to show you this Orbitron satellite tracking system. This is also not an online portal. It is a software package that you need to download, but don't worry, this is totally free and it's just 2 megabytes. Okay, so I already have this installed on my PC. Let me show you how this thing works. Okay, so this is basically the interface. On the right side you will see different satellites, their data, and on the top right corner there's an icon where you can go in the setup and you can change how the world looks, how NASA sees it, or the standard one, but I prefer watching it in color. Okay. So as you can see here, this here is ISS, the International Space Station, and it will show you the real-time location of HSS. HST is Hubble Space Telescope. This is the Orion, and it will also show you the location of Sun. And right now in India, it is about evening, and that's about it. So there are other different options also. For example, this rotor radio prediction, satellite orbit information. So there are various other options that you can go ahead and explore. So I suppose this another episode of Scientific Engineer was helpful, and please show some love by subscribing and sharing this video with all our science buddies, and happy sciencing. See you in the next one.